Hey, I am Adrian from the Philippines, and I am a software engineer in Accenture Philippines. We use RPGS 400 as our programming language. We also use CL, SQL, and DB2. Yeah, I found out about this channel, Tech Sharmit, and this unlike those ordinary channels that will teach you Hello World and all the basic stuff, but there's no application in work. This one, he uploads not just Hello World coding, intermediate coding, advanced coding, but he also uploads projects. And he actually made a course book. For me, it helped me become more confident in my RPG developing skills. Especially, I can use it in my work. Definitely recommend this channel, not just beginner RPG developers, but to all those advanced RPG developers. So, it continuously uploads a continuous learning path for every RPG developers out there. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner or, again, advanced. Yeah, so I definitely recommend you guys to subscribe in his channel, Tech Sharmit, on YouTube. We all learn together.